Today, we're going to talk about how to calculate and view your product level profitability of your products which are being sold on e-commerce market. It's very complex to understand the profitability of selling on e-commerce marketplaces because of multiple elements involved in every transaction and the dynamic nature of your orders. On your eVanik One World suite, click on Accounting and Finance, scroll down to Profit Calculator. As you can see on your profit calculator, you will have the complete list of all your products with various information as the column headers. You've got filters. You can select from the date range, which has got pre-built custom filters, or you can look at a custom range. By default, the value of last 30 days gets displayed on the screen. You can select for which channel price, channel type, you would want to view the report, or you can leave it as blank if you want to see a cumulative report for all your channels. If you would want to look at a specific SKU, just type the name of the SKU here and it will pop up the information only for that particular SKU. The order type is split into either all orders or if you want to look at a profit report of just paid orders. As you can see, your products are listed in the first column, which is the SKU. You can hover on the short name and it will give the complete name of the product which is being sold. The first section talks about revenue information, which talks about net units sold in terms of sales, returns, and net, which means sales minus return. The same information is in terms of the order value, which is your sales, returns, and net value sold. The next column is the net sold value per unit, which also talks or means average selling price, which essentially means your total sales value divided by the total units. If you've defined and configured your GST, the pre-GST price, the selling price, will also get populated. Section beyond that is your purchase information, wherein your purchase price, as you would have defined on eVanik, gets displayed here. You can also edit the purchase price if you want to by just clicking on that value. It opens up a small input box and you can change the purchase price. Let's say I'm changing it here. And click anywhere outside the screen and click on OK. The page gets reloaded on its own and displays the updated purchase price. So as you can see, the new purchase price has got displayed here. Channel expenses is the cumulative expense which has been incurred for all of these orders in the sales and the return status for this particular SKU in the time frame that you've selected. Per unit divides the overall channel expenses with the gross sales number. Before GST gets auto-calculated with the assumption that an 18% GST is getting charged on the expenses which are being levied by the marketplaces. The tool is so powerful that it gives you real-time insights on your exact profitability in terms of a gross unit being displayed here. Net payable GST is an outcome of what is the outgoing GST on sales and the incoming GST on purchase and channel expenses. This is required by many of our customers because they would want to see the net impact on the profitability and the cash flow. After reducing this net payable GST, the net unit margin gets displayed. While this tool is very important in terms of analyzing what's your overall percentage margin, it also helps you in pricing your products perfectly and accurately on marketplaces.